Hello, hello, beautiful peoples! Hi guys, I'm back! So, ano ang topic natin ngayon? Wala, may dumating. Of course, another video for for my future reference ito ng aking partnership affiliate. So, this is from, hindi ko nakalimutan ko yung shop nito. Wala na nakalagay. Pero, gagamitin ko to sa Saturday. Ay, wow, bongga. Umanda yung aking sariling ring light. This phone has its own ring light po. Pag madilim, bigla ka niyang papaliwanagin. Let there be light. Ganon. So, ano to? This is an intimate apparel, of course. It's inside. Hindi natin pwede yung ipakita, no? You know, community standards tayo, guys. Sundin natin yan. So, ayan na. Na-open ko na. And, ay, dalawa pala ito. Dalawa pala itong order. So, kalimutan nyo yung shop. Hanapin ko na lang. So, Jaran. And, Jaran. So, dalawa siyang seamless undergarment. I-flex lang natin pero hindi natin isusuot or whatever. You know, diba? Palagi nating sundin yung community standards natin para hindi tayo ma-awarding ceremony ni Boss Papa P tuloy. Papa P is on the other platform, okay. So, I like it. It's so small. My gosh. It's so small, guys. So, look. It's an undergarment with pwede siyang tanggal-tanggalin yung padding niya sa loob. So, I'm not fond of may mga underwire. Masakit kasi siya. Wala akong choice but to use yung mga ganitong style kasi hindi rin ako masyadong gumagamit ng yung strap niya is nasa side. I usually go for razor back front closure because of yung strap na fall. Kasi nga hindi even yung aking back because of laboratory scoliosis. Hindi pa ako baluktot. Nag-regress yung aking spine by the time nag-stop na ng growth yung aking bones. So, ayun, discover sa x-ray, chest x-ray na nakahiga. Surprise! Diba? Rare! Very few lang ang merong curve to the left. So, it's laboratory scoliosis. So, ang ganda niya, nude, seamless bra. Seamless bra. At yung isa is, wait, istorbo naman yung hair ko, oy. Oh my gosh. Yan. My voice is a little different from the previous voice ko nung mga nakaraan kasi nga magaling na. Medyo magaling na yung aking sipon but the ubo is there, over there. There, over here. Or here. Ay. So, ayan, guys. Ganun. Ang ganda. Oh, wala siyang strap. I thought, meron. Tingin-tingin din pag may time bago magreklamo. Uy. Ayan po. Meron siyang strap. It's a strapless bra. Ang ganda niya may 2 layers siya. So, the padding is here. Inside. Siya. Ganyan. I like it. Oh my gosh. Hala! It's too small. Tignan natin. Kakakasya yan. Parang hindi. May na kasi ako, may suot na akong something. Pero I think, size na to I'm size 34B. Ay, 32B. 34 yung pinili ko, pero parang pang kids lang to. Kakasya to sa akin. Hanap tayo ng extension. Hindi pa naman. So, yun guys. That's all muna. Flex ko lang din naman tong aking nabili. So, hindi ko nahiya mag-flex ng ganito. Hindi naman ako nakasuot ng ganito. So, this is from Shopee. Salamat Shopee. Meron na naman akong Hindi naman masama mag-mention ng Shopee because I am a partnership affiliate ng Shopee. Products ng Shopee. Maliit yung underwire ha. Ay, maliit yung strapless ha. Ganda yung ito, pero sakto lang. Kung ano may pinagdadaldal ko sa buhay. So, ano guys, cut off na natin ito. Umabot na tayo ng 5 minutes. Depende na lang sa inyo kung manonood kayo or hindi. If i-upload ko tong video na ito, then I will, tawag dito, I will post the link. Lalagay ko yung link ng shop kung saan ko siya nabili. Pero ang ganda niya, promise. Pero parang kailangan ko umorder ng bigger nito. Parang hindi ito cash sa katawan ko. But this one is perfect. So, that's all muna for today, guys. Join me again on my next video. Thank you for watching. And as always, wait lang. Before that, ulitin natin. So, that's all muna for today, guys. Join me again on my next video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of the day. And as always, from my little world to yours, love, love, love.